Today we're here with the VH700. I have a question for you. Are you a hobbyist? Are you doing this in your home shop? Are you a small business? Are you looking for an entry-level machine just to get started with wet blasting? This is the VH700. It is ideal for that type of application. This machine has a small workspace. It also has a small footprint. So in areas where you're just building a shop or you're getting a home area, you need a smaller footprint. This is a perfect machine. As an open loop system, we can do it as a bench top. So you could actually have it on a table or on a cart where it's going to be mobile. It is going to be tied to a water hose for rinsing, or you can do it as a closed loop system where it recycles your rinse water. This has come due to a lot of requests for a smaller machine, but a little bit bigger than the micro. So you've got your LED light inside, you've got your regular slurry pump inside. It's going to be able to use all abrasives from a 1200 all the way to a 20. Aluminum oxide. Definitely going to be something that works just like the bigger cabinets, only on a smaller scale. This is a top load cabinet. It does have the extended stand, so you can do it as an independent, but definitely keep it in mind when you are looking to enter into wet blasting or just try it out for a sample or entry-level machine. Give us a call if you have any questions. We would love to help you out today. Our number is 828-202-5563. Thank you so much.